Hi friends, this is Bhagat Singh. Welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. Today in this video, I will cover previous maths questions related to CTET Paper 2, which was conducted recently on 7th February 2026. Go through this video once. If you have any queries, please post in the comment section. I'll definitely reply your post. Note down the answers, and whenever the answer key is released, compare our answer with the answer key. If at all any deviation is there, please raise your objection through the objection window whenever it gets opened. Without further delay, let's move to the first question. The area of a rectangular field 48 meters square. One of the side is given. How long will a person to take across the field diagonally at a speed of 20 meter per minute? Okay. This is rectangle, and one of the side they have given. This side they have given, and area is 48 meters square. That means length into breadth. Treat this value as length as x. 6x is equal to 48 meters square. X is equal to 8 here. Okay. This x value is 8 now. Now, if a person cross its field diagonally, that means we need to find the length of diagonal length also. Okay. So what is the diagonal here? As per the triplet concept, here we will get 10. Why? Because if you apply Pythagoras, 36 plus 64 is equal to diagonal square. 100 square. 100 is equal to x square. X is equal to 10 here. So it is 10 meters, right? So here they have given for crossing 20 meters, person takes 1 minute time. For 10 meters, it is half times, right? That is why half times, half minute only. That is 30 seconds. So first one is the right answer here. Let's move to the next question. Metallic solid cubes of sides they have given are melted to form a single solid cube. The side of new cube, so form this side of new cube we need to find here. So first add up all these three volumes. So what is the volume formula? 8 cube, 6 cube, because these three are cubes only. So 8 cube means 512, 6 cube means that is 216, 10 cube means 1000. 8, 2, 7, 1. 1728 is the cube of 12. It is cube of 12. Okay, 1728 is the cube of 12. If you don't know, just do prime factorization of 1728. Okay, start with any number. Start with 4. Okay, so 4 4s are, 4 3s are, 4 2s are. Again start with 4. 4 1s are, 4 8s are. If you want, again 4. 4 2s are, 4 7s are. 27 means it's cube of 3. So that is why I can write 3 cube. 4 are also 3 times means 4 cube. Straight away you can take multiplication of 3 and 4. That is our cube of the 1728. Okay. So 12 is the answer here. So 12 centimeter. Let's move to the next question. The mean of the median and mode of the observations. They have given some data. So first we need to find median and mode. Again we need to find the mean of these median and mode. Okay. So what is mode? Mode is nothing but the highest frequency of the given data. Whatever the number which is repeated more number of times, that is our mode in the given data. So what is median? Whenever we arrange the given data in ascending or descending order, whatever the middle value is there, that is our median. When there is an even number of terms, we'll get two numbers in the middle. In that case, we need to take average of those two middle numbers. Okay. So first find the mode here. What is mode? Which has highest frequency here? So 30 repeated one time, 61 one time, 55 one time, 56 two times. So here mode is 56. Keep it aside. Now find the median. Median means we need to arrange first all these given data in ascending order. Okay. Least one is 20. Second one is 26. Third one is 28. And fourth one is 30. And any other number. Next one is 45. Next one is 55 and 56. Again we have 56. 56 repeated for twice. So 56. Again 60. We have 61. Sorry. 61. So count the number of terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have even number of terms. That is why I left two numbers in the middle. Okay. So we need to take average of these two numbers. Okay. If I share this 5 here, so 100. 100 by 2 means, which gives me 50. 50 is our median here. Median is 50. And we need to find mean of these two, mode and median. So 56 is our mode, median is 50. We need to take mean, average of these two. 106 by 2, which gives me 53 is our answer. So first one is the right answer here. let's move on to the next question. Drawn from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards, what is the probability that the card drawn is a 10 or a red king? Okay, in a deck of playing cards, we have total 52 cards. So this is our total sample. Okay, out of this total sample, we need to draw some card. The probability of that card being a 10 or red king. So first we need to find how many 10s are there in that 52 cards. Total we have 4 suits: spades, clubs, diamonds, hearts. So each category will be 4. That is why 10 cards will be 4 for 4 suits. And red colored will be only 2. That is hearts and diamonds. Okay. The spade and club will be black color. That is why kings are actually 4 cards only. But they are asking about red king. That means diamond or hearts. So red king will be 2 cards only. And what is the probability that the card drawn is 10 or red king, or they have mentioned? That means I can take both possibilities. That is why I am adding these two. So now cancel this value. We will get the probability. 2 3s, 226. So 3/26 the probability is there. Second one is the right answer here. Let's move to the next question. Number that divides 87 and 123, leaving respectively 7 and 3 as remainders. By looking at the options itself, you can solve this question. First, take the 40 here. With the help of 40, first check the divisibility. 42s are 80. Remainder is 7. 43s are 120. Remainder is 3. So this is our answer. Okay. However, we will go with the traditional approach. First, what is the remainder? So remove that remainder here. In first case, 7 is remainder. That is why I am deducting that 7, left with 80. Now, second case, 3 is our remainder. So deduct that 3 as well. So we left with 20. And find the HCF for these two values. That is our answer. Highest common factor. Okay. So for highest common factor, 80 and 120. Find highest common factor. 4 20s, 4 30s. Again, 10 2s, 10 3s. So these are the common factors here. So 4 into 10. Highest common factor is 40 here. So 40 is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Here we need to find the sum of the recurring decimals. Okay. First convert these recurring decimals into fractions. So how can I convert these? This bar is available on the single digit only. That is why straight away you can write 4/9 plus 6/9. If you want to check, you can check here. 4/9. So 9 0.94s are 36. 4 left. 36. Again 4 left. Let me keep on going up to infinite. That is why it is repeating recurring decimal. Okay, next, if you want to check 6/9 as well, it will also give the same result. Now add up these two values, you will get the answer. So 9 is denominator. So 4 plus 6, that is 10/9. That is an improper fraction. Convert this into mixed fraction. 1/9 is our answer. First one is the right answer here. It's a simple question. Let's move on to the next question. The difference between the largest and smallest fraction among the given fractions. Okay. If you observe the third fraction, it is mixed fraction, which is the largest one. Why? Because 7 ones are 7, 9/7. Numerator value is greater than denominator. That is why it is more than one value, which is highest here. So no need to calculate again. Now we need to find the smallest fraction out of the given fractions. What are those? 4/7 and 9/16 and 3/5. We need to find the smallest fraction out of this. Okay, that is our criteria. So take LCM of these three numbers: 7, 16 and 5. 16 5s are 80, 87s are 560. 560 is our LCM here. Okay. Now multiply these values. 4/7 into 560, 9/16 into 560, 3/5 into 560. In order to find which value is the least one. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 8s are 8, 4s are 320 here. Okay. 4 4s are 4 1s are 4 4s are 0. 2 2s are 270. 2 1s are 235. So 35 into 9 we need to find here. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 112 into 3 we need to find here. So 33s are 35. 350 minus 35. That means 315. This value. 112 means 336. Okay. So out of these three values, 9/16 is the least value. Now finally, difference between largest and smallest fraction we need to find. Highest one is 9/7 minus least one is 9/16. Again we need to find LCM for 16 and 7. 16 7s are 112 here. Okay. So 112 is the LCM. 7 will be 16 times. 16 9s are 144 minus 16 will be 7 times 7 is 63. So upper value 37 plus 44 81. So 81 by 112. So first one is the right answer here. Let's move on to the next question. The digit at unit place of a square of number is 2 more than the digit at the unit place of that number. Okay. So first I will write here squares of unit digits. Okay. So 0 square uses 0 only. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 6, 5 square 25, 16, keep it 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square means again 0. So it is repeating from here. So now what they are given in the question, after squaring whatever the value is there at the unit place, that is 2 more than the unit place of that number. What is the original number? That doesn't matter, but we need to take the unit place of the given number. So the unit place will be out of these numbers only, right? So 0 to 9 only. So if I square those numbers, then the unit digit will be these numbers only, right? So wherever the number at the unit place of these squared value is 2 more than the unit place of this number, that is our answer actually. So what they are saying cannot be the digit. Let's check those options. First one, if I place 0 is not here. So first check the sixth number. 6 square, if I have 16 something like this 2-digit number, what they are saying 16 square means 196 I will get. But whatever the digit at this place, this is 2 more than the digit at this place, but it is equal. That is why first one is wrong. 6 is not correct. Let's check the second option, 9. So if it is 9 at the unit place, 9 square means 81. It will give us 1 in the unit place, which is less than 9. So this is also wrong. Let's check the third option. So 4 square means 4 square, which gives us 16. 6 at the unit place, which is 2 more than the unit place of the original number. So 4 is in the unit place, which is, and after squaring it gives me 6 at the unit place, which is 2 more than the initial number at the unit place. So this is satisfying. Okay. Third one is the right answer. And fourth one is, if you check, 5 will give always 5 1, no change. That is 6 also 6 only, no change. That is why these are not correct. So which of the following cannot be the digit at the unit place of the square of the number is, this question itself wrong, I think. Which can be formed. So third one is the right answer. Maybe this will be added to all. It will be a scoring mark for all candidates, I hope. So let's move to the next question. Substitute the given options here, you will get the answer. So if I put a value as 1, 21 ones are 21 only, it will not give me 3-digit number. That is why first one is wrong. If I put a value as 5 and b value as 1, let's check. So 25 5. So let's check. 25 5 is 125. It is satisfying, right? Equation. So b value is 1, a value is 5. Here it is coming. That is why second one is the right answer. Let's check the third option as well. So if I put a value as 6, 6 6 0. So 26 6 156, which is not satisfying the given option in the bottom. In the middle value place, here they have given 2. So that is why it is also wrong. Fourth one, a1 value is wrong. That is why this is also wrong. Second one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. If a minus b 11 by 5, ab is equal to 3 by 4, then one of the values of a plus b. Okay. If they have given a minus b, ab value or a plus b value, or they may ask a square plus b square value. For all these kinds of questions, we just apply the algebraic identities, simple identities only that I am going to tell now. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Okay. So expand these first. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So based on these two identities, I am going to derive one more. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. If I subtract these two equations, 1 and 2, I'll get what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now I'm subtracting means I have changed the signs. A square minus b square plus 2ab. So this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. We're left with 4ab. In this case, I'm going to use this identity. Sometimes they may ask a square plus b square value. Otherwise, they have given a square plus b square value and they may ask a plus b or a minus b value. In that case, I have to add a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. In that case, this 2ab will be cancelled. Because why? Because these are plus values. We are adding. That is, in that case, I'll get 2 times of a square plus b square. Okay. By simply applying these two identities, you can solve these kind of questions very easily. You can get the value. Okay. So what they have given a minus b value as 11 by 5. Substitute in this equation. We need to find a plus b whole square minus a minus b value as 11 by 5. Right? 11 by 5 square is equal to 4 times ab means they have given 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. Simply send this value to that side. So 4 4 cancel. Right? So 3 plus 121 by 25. Now a plus b whole square, which is equal to 25 3s are 75 plus 121 by 25, which is equal to, so 75 plus 121, 196. That is 196 by 25. So a plus b is equal to under root of 196 by 25, which is equal to 14 by 5. This is the right answer here. So they have given in mixed fractions. Convert this improper into mixed. 2s are 4 by 5. 2 4 by 5 is our answer. 2 4 by 5. Fourth one is the right answer here.